Here. What's up, you filthy detailers? Y'all already know, I'm back with another video. Now, this video is not about detailing or anything. I just redid my van. I rebuilt it, reconstructed it. I added a back wall so I could put up my hose reels and do some other crazy things that I'm gonna be doing on this channel. If you wanna see that, tap into this video. Definitely. So as you can see, it's a little dark in here. I'm inside my garage. Yesterday, I knocked this out. I'm still tired. I'm doing some other things in my garage. But this video is not a how to build your van, but it's more of a how I did it. So you already know, if you want to see the journey and the tips and bits that I got in this video, tap into this. If you know another detailer looking for clues or anything like that on how to build a mobile detail van, tell them this is the video for them. Tap in. Yo, what's going on, y'all? So today I decided to rebuild my van for detailing, and I'm doing a whole new setup that's not so new. So here you can see me. I'm heading out to Home Depot, you know, the good trusty Home Depot, grabbing some wood. Pause. Definitely got to get some weather treated wood because we are dealing with water. So if you are going to do this type of build, make sure that you get weather treated wood. And as you can see there, I got a 4x8, which means 4 feet by 8 feet of plywood. The reason I got it so big is because I want to get it cut, as you will see later on. I'm going to get it cut, and as you can see here, these are the things that I'm getting. I'm going to list them in the description in case you guys want to do this. Now, I've been meaning to do this ever since I got to Georgia. I just didn't have the time. And as you will see, this is really time consuming. And you might say, oh, it took you 10 minutes. No, it did not. I cut down 3 to 6 hours into 10 minutes. So here you can see I got my man right here. He's cutting the wood for me. Pause. And he's getting it down to the size that I want. The reason I have the specific sizes is because when I get home, I will be doing my own cutting. Of course, I got to get some good paint because I'm going to be painting what I'm going to be building in my van, which is going to be a backdrop. That's what the 4x8 feet of plywood is for. It's going to build me a backdrop. Reason being is because I want, when I'm adding reels or different things to my van, I want it to go exactly into the wood, and I will be creating studs, sort of like a house. When you're drilling something into a home, it goes into a stud, which is wooden or metal. Mine in this case is going to be wooden. All right, so I want you guys to make sure that you understand this. And now I am home unloading the wood. Pause. I'm from New York, as you can tell. So it's either gonna be pause or no diddy. Take that. But I'm unloading the wood, setting it down. And the reason I want to do this, as I was saying, is because I want to be able to add and replace things inside my van seamlessly, not doing anything extra. So boom, I got my little helper with me. Of course, he's gonna join in and not do nothing. But as you can see here, we got the van open. This is how it looks currently. It's on some metal uni struts, and that's what I got my reel on. I had a vacuum hose on that as well, and also my pressure washer reel. I got 2 reels on there right now, which is my electric wheel and my air compressor reel. Here you can see me. I'm gonna be taking out the big boy generator, which is not so big, but that has to be removed. It's on a drawer, and I will break all that down as we go. So for now, let me play some tunes while I get busy. So yeah, I'm like, what the hell I got myself into? A Again, trying to do this by yourself is very hard, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's doable. As a man, you gotta be able to figure things out. So yeah, I'm adjusting my backdrop right now, which is also going to be my wall, kind of like what you got in your home. I'm creating a wall that I can implement all my reels, all my holders, all my bottle holders, and everything. Of course, my wife came and joined me just to tell me, hey, you want some yogurt? I was like, yes, I do want some yogurt. And she ended up giving me something to eat to keep me fueled up. Let me take a seat while I figure this out. So now you'll see here, I drilled some holes, pre-drilled them, and they're going into the uni strut, which is the metal studs you saw I had before. Those are very superior, and they can hold a lot of weight. The bolts that I'm putting on right now are 3/8 bolts. I try to keep everything in my van between 3/8 bolts, ½ inch, or 5/16. But for the most part, everything is 3/8 bolts. Here you will see me gluing, I'm putting some wood glue or some liquid nails, and I'm attaching a wooden stud to the back of this wall. This stud will play as a reinforcer for when I drill things from the front end, that they can be held sturdy and won't fall down, especially with reels. As you can see, I did paint the backdrop, make sure it's black because you know my theme is black and gold. And I'm cutting up some more wood, pause, I knew that was coming, just to make sure I could build a shelf and do some other things. Now I did measure out the shelf on the other side of my van, but things were gonna slide as I drive, so I decided to make a lip, which is what you saw me doing. Here you will see that I got my reels up. I'm putting everything back in place, and I'm making sure that I'm doing a quality test and seeing if I want to keep the pressure washer reel down there or if I want to put it up. But now that I have the wall, I can put it up. There you see me putting my generator back in the drawer. This drawer keeps the fumes out, so therefore I can roll the generator out, and while the generator is running, there's no fumes going into my van to kill me with carbon monoxide later on. But I'm bolting everything back down, putting everything back to place. You guys tell me what y'all think about this. Was this build cool? Are you thinking about building out your van? Do you not care? I did have to do some plumbing because I did take out my water tank and then it started getting dark on me. But I redid the plumbing, as you can see here. If y'all like this video, let me know, and I'll definitely do a more in-depth as into how I did my plumbing. But as you can see, it was a while because now it's nighttime and I finally got the van back together. So if you like this, leave a comment, leave questions if you have questions. I'll help you out if you need help, free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.